Alright, yeah, real quick in this video, I did shoot some extra footage while I was at this construction site trying to film this video with my big rocks. So I did want to show this to you guys. I didn't want the footage just to go to waste. So I did do a couple of different takes and stuff like that. So that's what you'll see in this video. It's not going to be the same what you guys saw before. So I hope you enjoy it.
Big Rock 6S. It's probably going to be a lot of dust flying. But I wanted to see how it's going to perform in this terrain here. Put this suspension to the test. I should have brought my temp gun, but it should be okay. I put the stock gearing back in here, so. The Big Rock keeps finding rocks to hit. First flip. Probably won't do that much talking during this video because I have a mask on. If y'all have ever driven in dirt fields like that, y'all know you can get a lot of dust and dirt in your mouth. Trying to hit a backflip there. It almost went down the tube. Y'all missed some of the, I guess what should be epic jumps or whatever for us. A lot of dust out here, so if I sound like I'm sick, I actually have a mask on because I know how it is to drive out in these areas and run cars and jump with all this dust and stuff. Hit some of these jumps over, I'll try to. Try to do a backflip going up there. And was also putting this new servo to the test too. Let's see if we can get a clean jump on here. I wasn't able to get one earlier.
All right, so that was the footage, and I do have a full review coming up with this truck, probably within the next couple of days. I definitely had to show this to you guys, the mud footage. I lost a shoe when I was out here, y'all, so you have no idea. When the truck actually got stuck, I had to go in there and fish it out the mud. But I didn't film that because I probably would have dropped my filming equipment and everything trying to film and see myself getting it out of there. But stay tuned for a full review coming up within the next day of this truck. And if you guys are looking and still trying to order one, there's going to be a link below in the description. As always, I appreciate you guys watching.
So now I'm just playing in the mud.